called?
Water spoon.
Water rescue slip. Another seaman. What is that slip behind? That is the black slip. And between the cable holder and naval pipe, there is one slip in between. That will be riding slip. That is for extra preventer. Understood? Now what is this? This is the anchor strap. This is only to be put when anchor secured.
The strength lies in being able to give very less instructions and very crisply the operation being carried out. And the intention of this training is that we have standardized orders, whether it is the National Coast Guard or it is the Indian Navy. So when we are operating together, our officers, yes, get the NCV officer will give instructions to our personnel. So the idea is to have absolute bonding and being able to undertake the operation safely. Safety is always a very, very important aspect in aviation. So if your procedures are correct,
All the boats should have this arrangement for putting this. Now when you are approaching, just do like this. Now you will stop the boat, weight will come on it, it will not go anywhere. You can sew like this. This man will sew, he is understood. Now you keep doing lacing after that. Make it like this first. Understood? This has to be kept, otherwise it will not be loose. This length. Then you keep. Whatever is the rope, you just tie it around. Keep this in hand. Now you have to remove. Just remove it. Because of weight, it will again go down.
the ships of the first training squadron, they have come from India, Cochin, and we entered Port Blair on the 10th. We are on a 4-day visit, and 14th tomorrow the ships will cast off. The Indian naval ships were majorly here for participation in the National Day celebrations. We had a representation of a Chetak helicopter, which was part of the fly past. We had 2 contingents from the Navy, which comprised of the sea trainees of the first training squadron, and from our side we had Admiral Karve, who's the Flag Officer Commanding in Chief, Southern Naval Command. His visit to Port Louis, Mauritius has coincided with the visit of the ships, along with various interactions with the Coast Guard, with the National Coast Guard. We have had other measures towards building friendship, wherein we've had a blood donation camp which happened here in the jetty, and we had a yoga session along with the personnel from the National Coast Guard. Other than that, our sea trainees, they visited the Signal Mountain, and as we speak today, there is an interaction wherein they'll be heading to the National Coast Guard Training Academy. We are having friendly football matches. There's a match there in the morning, and what you all have witnessed today, we have undertaken training on various aspects which are required on board: technical aspects, seamanship aspects, navigation aspects, wherein the crew of the various ships of the National Coast Guard, they are here on board, and instructions have been imparted on the various aspects which I have just covered. Thank you.